Hearing aid technology has improved dramatically in the last few years. 10, 20 years ago, or more than 20 years ago, the only hearing aid options were what were known as analog hearing aids. So they had all the same four basic parts. They had the microphone, the amplifier, the speaker, and the power supply. But the amplifier was much simpler and could only be manipulated by transistors. So any control that you had over the sound of the hearing aid had to physically be built into the hearing aid itself. So we were really limited by the space. And so the functionality or our ability to adjust the hearing aid was quite limited. In the 1980s, digital technology first became available in hearing aids, and it didn't take off right away because initially it was too large. But as miniaturization of the digital components improved, digital hearing aids have become the norm now, and most companies are discontinuing their analog hearing aid lines. The main advantage of the digital technology in a hearing aid is in the amount of flexibility and control that we now have over the sound that the hearing aid produces. We can do much more with a digital signal than we could with the older analog hearing aids. What happens in a digital hearing aid, the hearing aids look essentially the same. Once the sound is picked up by the microphone, it is converted to a digital signal or a sequence of code. And we can do so much more with that code than we could with the older technology. Hearing aids now come with all sorts of options for addressing background noise. They come with specialized microphones. They come with noise reduction systems, and so on. So we have a lot more options that are now available to the user.